Hello students, we continue the lesson Cell the Unit of Life. It is the lesson of class 11th and we continue it with topic centrioles and basal body. Firstly, we talk about the centrioles. Centrioles are present in centrosomes or centrosomes, and these are only found in animal cell. We called it present in animal cell, and these are absent in plant cell. One exceptional in animal cell is it is absent in mature RBCs. Only in case of mature RBCs it is absent, while in all animal cells it is present. Now we talk about the location where they are located. They are located near to near to nuclear membrane, means near to the nucleus. And the number of the centriole per cell we call it is 2 in one cell or per cell. And when we talk about the pair, that is the one pair. And the one centrioles is perpendicular to the another centrioles. In this pattern they are located near to the nucleus, and this is the centrosomes. Centrosome, and inside it centrioles are located. The arrangement of microtubules we called, because the centrioles are prepared by the microtubules. We already talked about the cytoskeleton, and in that cytoskeleton we talk about the three types of the components: the microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments. So the centrioles are prepared by microtubules, and the arrangement of the microtubules is 9+0 pattern. How it is 9+0 pattern? We try to draw here the structure of the centrioles. They are in triplet form. They are found in triplet form, and these are the double walled structure. Here we draw the all triplets. These are the triplets we are given to name one, then A, B and C. A, B, C. A, B, C. These are the triplets of microtubules, and always the A is bind with the C in all the pattern. In this pattern, A microtubular part joined with the C1, and it forms a spike-like structure. In middle of it, a solid protein structure is present, and that solid protein structure we called hub. And the A microtubular part is also attached to that hub part. In this pattern, the attachment of the A microtubule part with the hub we called X body. It is the triplet of microtubules, and these are the spoke. These spoke made up of protein. There are 9 arrangement of the microtubules, that why 9 and +0, because there is no arrangement of the microtubule inside the middle part. So the arrangement or pattern we call 9+0. Most of the time question arises from that topic: what is the arrangement of microtubules inside the centrioles? And the answer is 9+0. Here we try to draw the single structure of the triplet. The lowermost or A is the whole particles. After that the B1 in this pattern and the C1 in this pattern. The A microtubular arrangement is like a microtubules 13, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 are there, and upper that 10 are located. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in this pattern. Similarly, this means the A, B and C. These triplet, these are the particles of alpha or beta, we call beta or alpha protein part. A1 contain the 13 microtubules, B 10 microtubules, and C1 contain the 10 microtubules. In this pattern, they prepared a pattern of the centrioles, and this is the upper view of the centrioles. When we see it, the side pattern, then these are in this pattern. We try to draw here the 3D structure of it, because all these are the microtubules and tubules are in tubular form. So it similar look like this. This is the centrioles. Now we talk about the function of centriole. They are found near to the nucleus. The main function is formation of spindle apparatus or spindle formation during cell division. It is splitting of the centrioles takes place. Actually, the process of splitting of centrioles takes place during S phase of cell cycle. And during the cells division process, we already see that there are two poles, the animal pole and vegetable pole, and both these poles are lie away from each other during the cell division and goes to the opposite pole direction, and these are the centrioles, and these are help to transfer or keep the chromosome parts away from each other, chromosomes, the non-sister chromatids away from each other, or division of the chromosomes. So we called it helped in division of chromosomes. This is about the centrioles. Now the next we talk about the basal body. Basal body, we call the location of them. Centrioles located near to the nuclear membrane, and basal body located near to the plasma membrane. We called it inside the plasma membrane because it is the extension of the plasma membrane. Number of basal body per cell, these are varies, and it is depend on number of cilia and flagella present in it, because it is the base part of the cilia and flagella. Cilia and flagella are originated from the basal body. So how many numbers of the cilia and flagella present in the cell, they depend on their number. Basal body's number depend. Then we called it is a extension of plasma membrane. Size of the basal body is little bit more than the centrioles, and this is about 300 to 500 micrometer, and it is also made up of protein like a centriole. As well as it is also a part of microtubules, or we called it is made up of microtubules, alpha and beta type of tubulin. Here we try to draw the basal body. This is your cell wall in case of plant cell, and inside it plasma membrane is there, and this is the extension of plasma membrane. Actually plasma membrane is extend inside it in this pattern, and after that the cilia and flagella comes out. So that part is the flagella part or cilia part, and that is the part of basal body. That is the actual location of the basal body inside the plasma membrane. This is about the centrioles and basal body. I hope you understand. In next video we talk about the flagella and cilia structure. Thank you.